First point, you're a nutritional consultant. Yeah, do you want to heal very naturally from the inside out? Do you have to have energies like never before? Do you want to get up feeling strong, healthy, agile? What you need is super nutrition, super food. And this day, we're talking about food supplementation, to be specific. And we're talking about one of the most powerful food supplements that has ever existed. We have here on hand vitamin C, and specifically vitamin C powder, the most highly absorbable form of vitamin C. Some people call it ascorbic acid. So please, vitamin C is the most powerful immune system boosting substance in the whole world. There are no two to it. If you're a child, you need vitamin C. If you're an adult, you need vitamin C. What we found with our experience is that no single human being has enough vitamin C in his system in order to be able to function optimally. So we advise you guys to contact us and grab vitamin C and put it on your table and make fun ingesting it. Vitamin C, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory products in the whole world. It neglects anti-inflammation in the body, and by so doing, it takes your immune system up to where the immune system can meaningfully fight for you. Don't forget, anytime you are in pain or you are in disease, the immune system is low in a way. So the first thing to raise your immune system and make it to meaningfully fight for you and protect you is by ingesting huge amounts of vitamin C. And this improves eye health, liver health, kidney health. All vital organs will benefit from this substance being ingested in optimal amounts. So please contact us and let's make fun of take vitamin C, put it on the table and make fun ingesting it. And before you know, more testimonies are coming onto you. So contact us and grab a vitamin C. We are highly aware of your testimony. God bless you.